What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna make fun of this padlock. It's just a cheap knockoff. There's no name on it. It's just one of those ones you get at Dollar General. Um, it's got a plastic core in it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's plastic in there. But we're gonna try and make fun of it. I've already beat up on it several times just to see if it would pop open, and we're just gonna keep doing it. It's pretty much messed up anyway, so we're just gonna see if we can pop it. Yep, popped it open all right. Let's try that again. Make sure it's not a fluke. Yep, popped it open. Okay, now I'm gonna stick a screwdriver in here. I'm gonna pop this guy open too. Essentially, it's supposed to pop open. Give me a second. Alright, so we got it, so it's gonna crack now. As you can see, wedged the screwdriver in there. Just gonna go ahead and see if I can open it. I don't have that much torque on me. Seeing this hack on YouTube, what's his name is the lock picking lawyer has done it. So he's melted the core because it's plastic. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It wants to. It wants to open. Forgot to bring my tripod. Sorry for the bad camera angles. Nothing. Nothing. There goes that. Let's see if we can stick something else in there. Give me a sec. Alright guys, so I stuck this in here. It's an old pair of Leathermans, like a knockoff. I don't think I'll be able to open this. It's starting to bend it. So I was thinking the plastic would break, but no, this cast metal or whatever the heck is already broken, and I thought the plastic would break. Did I break it? Don't know. Nope. Just some popping noises, that's all. Bent the crap out of this though. So no, we did not open it. Can't remember what lockpicking lawyer did though. Okay, sorry about that. My mom was gonna give me some candy. But anyway, I see all the pins kind of flopping around in there. Let's see what we can dump out. Give me a second. Well, so far we only got one pin. But there is carnage though. They're just all jammed in there. Oh well. I guess this hack didn't really work. But the popping method did work. Beat the crap out of it though. Oh well. Junk anyway. But yeah, it just goes to show you. Don't buy anything from cheap places. You know, well, not cheap places, but like cheap stuff. Don't buy padlocks that are under $3 or under $5. Or let's just be real. Don't buy any padlocks under $10. Anyways, guys, this makes Master look like it's professional. Anyways, guys, peace out. I hope you enjoyed.